Hi, I'm Stephen Leone, an applications engineer at Mini-Circuits in Brooklyn, New York. In this short tutorial, I'll walk you through how to get started with the Mini-Circuits eVNA network analyzer. The eVNA comes with all the hardware and accessories you need to plug and play right out of the box. When you open the package, you'll find the eVNA itself, an AC power adapter and cord, and a USB cable to connect the device to your PC. Before you connect the eVNA, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the input maximum ratings and other safety precautions in the Quick Start Guide to avoid unintentional damage. To start the installation, you'll want to visit the link below to download and install eVNA Studio, our GUI and remote control program for the eVNA. We'll review the GUI installation in this video. Programming is a bigger topic which we'll cover in a later video. Once you've downloaded the software package, run the installation program and follow the instructions on the screen. When you're done, open eVNA Studio from the installation location or desktop shortcut. Once the software is installed, you're ready to set up the hardware. First, plug the power adapter into the nearest outlet and connect it to the DC input on the rear panel of the eVNA. The red light on the front panel will indicate that the equipment has power. Next, connect the eVNA to your PC with the supplied USB cable. The front panel LED will then change from red to green when the device is recognized by the PC. From the eVNA Studio main screen, select System, More, and Connections to open the Connection Manager window. Select the instrument and click Connect. The first time a device is connected to a new PC, it goes through a one-time activation that can take 1 to 2 minutes. Later connections will take less than 30 seconds. If multiple eVNA units are connected to the PC, you can identify the unit you want to connect to by serial number. If no hardware is connected, you can still select the simulator to explore the GUI features with a user-defined S2P file. It's a good idea to let the instrument warm up for 15 minutes before performing calibration or any RF measurements. The temperature indicator in the eVNA Studio main screen will turn green once the unit reaches a stable temperature. Now you're ready to start making measurements. Check out our other tutorials for demos on calibration, performing S-parameter measurements, and more. I'm Stephen Leone. Thanks for watching.